Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a haul of some of the items I pick up from the Dua brand. So let's get started. So first of all, I picked up the Dua Original. They have some hybrids, they have some original blends that they do. They bring back some old fragrances that are discontinued and things like this. So this one is one of their originals. If you see me looking off to the side, I wrote down all these notes. So this is the only Dua original I picked up from this time around. But this one is Creamy Vanilla Coconut. So this one is a unisex fragrance that's said to be a gourmand. It has coconut, vanilla bean, whipped cream, and tonka bean. So I'm super excited to try this one. I got these in a couple of weeks back, but I always like to, they come in these little baggies. At least this time around, that's how they came. It's like a velvet filling bag. So what I did is just spray them a few times, put them back in the bag, and let them sit. So that's what I like to do with these. So that is the Creamy Vanilla Coconut. You can definitely smell the vanilla and the coconut in there very nice. So I'm looking forward to trying these. The next one I picked up was one for my hubby. This is Caribbean Waters. Now this one is inspired by, it says it's inspired by the Virgin Islands by Creed, which is a $289 bottle. So this is from their Dua design line. And this has notes of bergamot, lime, mandarin, coconut, sugarcane, and white rum. So again, this is a masculine scent. And you smell the citrus in here, especially the lime. And I do smell a little bit of the coconut in there as well. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I'm looking forward to smelling that on him. So the next one that I picked up was Black Widow. So if you know anything about this one, this is inspired by Black Phantom by Killian. And it has dark rum, sugarcane, dark chocolate, coffee, caramel, almond, Japanese vetiver, heliotrope, and sandalwood. So this is said to be a unisex fragrance. This is a fragrance that I had been looking at on Killian for a while that I was curious on how it would smell. So got the Dua brand version of that one. The next one I picked up was Drowning in Vanilla. And this is inspired by Ani by Nishani. And this is an Oriental Floral Vanilla Gourmand. And it has bergamot, green notes, blue ginger, pink pepper, black currant, Turkish rose, cardamom, patchouli, cedarwood, vanilla, benzoin, ambergris, musk, and sandalwood. So in this fragrance, it's got a lot going on. I smell the green notes. I smell the pink pepper. I smell the vanilla right off, just smelling it off the cap. This is it looks like it's going to be a nice scent. This is a scent that I also have had my eye on for a while, so I'm curious to see what it's going to smell like on my skin. So looking forward to trying that one. And that one is in Drowning in Vanilla. The next one I have here is, what is this one? Another 13 Shades. And this one is inspired by Another 13 by Le Labo. And it has Iso E Super and Bronson, Musk, and Brett, Meal Salicylate, and Pear. So this was another one that I really had my eyes on. And I'm trying to see, what do I smell? I haven't had, I don't believe, Iso E Super in a fragrance before. So I'm not sure what that smell is, but this, just smelling it off the top. It smells beautiful, so I'm looking forward to trying that one. Again, that's another 13 shades. And then the next one I picked up was 33 shades of Santal. See that little smoky picture on there? So this one is inspired by Santal 33, also from Le Labo. And this one has, says it's a unisex scent. It has cardamom, iris, violet, Australian sandalwood, papyrus, cedarwood, leather, and musk. It smells beautiful. All right, so the next one I picked up is Therapy. This is a unisex woody floral musk fragrance. It is inspired by Musk Therapy by Initio Perfumes. And this one, it has musk, white musk, black currant, bergamot, mandarin orange, white sandalwood, magnolia, and hedoin. All right, and the next one I picked up is hashtag Fierce Artour. And this one is another one that I picked up for my hubby. It's a woody aromatic fragrance. It is inspired by Fierce, the vintage formulation that's been intensified, it says, from Abercrombie & Fitch. This has petitgrain, cardamom, lemon, orange fir, aquatic notes, jasmine, rosemary, rose, lily of the valley, sage, vetiver, musk, oak moss, Brazilian, rosewood, and sandalwood. A whole lot of scents going on, but I can tell you, this one smelled good from the time it came in, so I loved it. So I'm looking forward to him wearing that one. And this one, you guys, is Be in Love. And this one is inspired by Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. So cute, the bottle. It's an amber fragrance. And this one has neroli, bergamot, pink panther, coriander, marshmallow, orange blossom, jasmine, honeysuckle, rose, iris, sage, vanilla, caramel musk, civet, and labdanum. I love Love Don't Be Shy. That smells beautiful. Looking forward to trying this one as well. And then the next one I picked up was Vanilla Baby. Now, Vanilla Baby is a spicy amber, and it is inspired by YSL's Baby Cat. And this is considered a unisex fragrance, and it has elemi, resin, pink pepper, black pepper, olibanum, saffron, bourbon vanilla, suede leather, and cedarwood. And this one you can smell the leather and the resin. And it has a slight sweetness to it. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this smells like on skin. I love all the things that I picked up from this haul. Hopefully they will all work out for me. I'll keep you posted on what I think of all of these. And that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.